Aastha Rane. I study in class 5th in Montfort School. Today I will tell you about the importance of birds. Birds are important in our life because they help us in many ways. First point, in the past the pigeons helped us to deliver letters of the kings. Second point, and also we wake up early in the morning from the bird sound. Third point, the insects in the farms eats the plants and harm it. So the birds eat these insects and helps us. Fourth point, from the feather of the birds we can make some things like dream catchers, shuttlecock, etc. And whenever the leaves or some thin branches falls down, the birds make its nest and the floor gets clean. So birds are important in our life. Thank you.